Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use MX Player in iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, you'll have to open the App Store in order to download the MX Player if you have not already. Now inside the App Store, search for the MX Player in the search address bar. After you search for it, tap on the MX Player and download it. So once it's downloaded, make sure to give full access to the photos and videos from your iPhone camera roll. So you'll find all your photos and videos in MX Player, and you'll also find your all musics available in MX Player if you have already. I don't have any musics on my iPhone, so I won't find any. So you can manage all your videos and music in the MX Player. So MX Player is a versatile media player for iOS and Android device that supports a wide range of video and audio formats. It's known for its smooth playback, customizable features, and extensive codec support. MX Player allows you to play videos stored on your device's internal storage or SD card. Simply open the app, navigate to the folder connecting your video files, and tap on the video you want to watch. MX Player offers robust subtitle support, allowing you to load external subtitle files for your videos as well. And MX Player utilizes hardware acceleration to enhance video playback performances. Overall, MX Player offers a comprehensive set of features for playing, managing, and customizing your media files on Android and iOS devices. Whether you are watching movies, TV shows, or personal videos, MX Player provides a seamless and enjoyable playback services. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.